In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete cookies on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the menu options at the top right corner of the window. If Chrome is already open, you are ready to move on. Next, look to the upper right corner of Chrome and click the three dots. This opens the main browser menu, where you will find several settings and tools related to your browsing activity. Take your time here and make sure you are clicking the correct icon, since this is where many important Chrome options are located. From that menu, select Delete Browsing Data. When you click it, Chrome will open the Browsing Data window, where you can manage the information stored by the browser. This is the area that includes cookies, cached files, and other saved browsing details. At this point, you can review what Chrome is preparing to remove. If your goal is specifically to delete cookies, make sure the Cookies option is selected in that window. In many cases, Chrome may also show other items like browsing history or cached images, so it is a good idea to check the available options carefully before confirming anything. That helps you remove the data you want without clearing more than necessary. You may also see a time range setting. This lets you decide whether to delete cookies from a recent period or from all time. If you want a more complete cleanup, choosing all time is usually the best option. If you only want to remove recent cookies, you can select a shorter time range instead. Once everything looks right, continue with the deletion. Chrome will remove the selected cookie data, and this may sign you out of some websites. That is normal, because cookies often store login sessions and site preferences. If that happens, simply sign back into the sites you still want to use. That covers everything you need to know.